In this video, I'll show you how to reset your password on OKX Wallet so you can get back into your account safely. First, open the OKX app. On the first screen, if you see Exchange and Wallet, tap Wallet. On the login screen, instead of entering your password, tap Forgot Password or a similar option below the login fields. Now choose how you want to reset it, usually by email or mobile number linked to your OKX account. Enter your email/phone, then type the verification code that OKX sends you. After verification, you'll be asked to create a new password. Make it strong. Use letters, numbers, and symbols, and don't reuse old passwords. Confirm it, then tap Submit or Confirm. Very important. If you're using the OKX Web 3/Wallet, this password only unlocks the app on your device. Your actual wallet access depends on your recovery phrase. If you ever lose the app and don't remember the password, you can re-import your wallet using your seed phrase. So keep that phrase written down and stored safely. Once the new password is set, log in again with your email/phone and your new password, and you'll be back in your OKX wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.